Hey guys, this is Mohit Agarwal here. This video I am making to make each and every one of you aware that yes, Supreme Court final decision has arrived, and I am going to take 2 minutes to sum up the final Supreme Court verdict. It doesn't take more than that. Unnecessarily, I don't want to increase my watch time at the cost of your golden time right now, okay? But please subscribe the channel for all the crisp updates. Do subscribe because it's very motivating for me if you subscribe it, and press the bell icon for all the notification. Now, in 2 minutes, I am going to sum up. Supreme Court's order has arrived. Yes, Supreme Court has ordered. First of all, exams are going to take place from 5th of July as scheduled. Secondly, the petition was never for exam postponement or deferment. It was for opt-out. And the note that was circulated by ICAI to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has categorically said that we are not satisfied with the opt-out option given by ICAI, and so Supreme Court has ordered some changes to be done in the opt-out which institute is going to make. Now, what Supreme Court has ordered? Supreme Court has told that RT-PCR certificate is not mandatory for the candidates for the opt-out. If they can submit a certificate, not RT-PCR certificate, a medical practitioner certificate stating that we are disabled and we cannot appear for the exam, not necessarily because we are suffering from COVID, but it may so happen that we might have suffered from COVID 2-3 months back and we are still having the prolonged illness because and side effects of the COVID. So if medical practitioner, that is a doctor, can certify in a prescription that I am not fit to appear for the examination, then I can opt out. And moreover, whether you belong to old course or new course, this attempt, if you opt out, will not be counted and you will be given a fresh attempt, and this attempt is not counted if you opt out on the grounds of medical disability certified by a medical practitioner, okay? And this disability can be suffered by me also or by any of the family members also, and if a medical practitioner certifies it that I or any of my family members have suffered this disability due to COVID, and COVID again, not current COVID, it may be current COVID, it may be previous COVID having prolonged effect till now, okay, then I can opt out unconditionally. Attempt is not going to be counted. Clear? And ICAI has also been directed that to make sure that the infra and logistic arrangements are up to the mark, and institute has also been directed by Honorable Supreme Court that if ICAI changes examination center of a particular candidate suddenly, then that candidate can also opt out. So this was finally some relief given by Supreme Court to CA students. All the best for your exam. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because you know, if you scroll down the channel, you will be finding all the amendment videos, all the playlist, all the revision videos. It's a channel which gives you the quality. Thank you, love you, and all the best for exam. You will surely pass.